Hello everyone. Today we want to introduce you a kind of test card for LED screen modules. It can test almost all the LED modules in the LED screen market. When you use Linsen control system or color lights or other control card, if you want to test a LED module which may have problems, you need to set up the receiving card and run intelligent setup. But you may sometimes cannot success in the setup. You may have some problems. Maybe the version of the software is not right. Maybe the connection is not right. So you may have problems when you need to test the LED module. With this test card, you can test the LED module very fast without any setup. Now I will show you how to use this test card. We think every company in which dealing with LED screen products need at least one this test card. Here you can see it can work with hub 08, hub 12. This almost for single color LED screen. And here have hub 40 and hub 75. This now almost all the LED modules use hub 75. Just connect four color LED modules, connect the power, connect the signal cable, and connect to hub 75. And now we change a single color module. It's a hub 8 module. And now we change to hub 8. Now we change another one. This is half 12. And we change to half 12. So you can see we can test the module very fast without computer and without the software, and do not need to do any setup.